Okay guys, we're going to do a little bit of code cleanup and refactoring. This project has taken a while to record, and I kind of changed the way I like doing things. You don't have to do this, but I might recommend it because it sorts things out better. What I'm going to do is make a new folder in public and call it third-party. And under here I'm going to make a new folder called CSS, JS, and image. So this way I'll have a separate thing. Third party means I didn't make it. Everything else means I made it. And it's just way easier to sort stuff out this way. So I can put all these third party guys in here with my images. Glyph icons apply to Twitter Bootstrap. And the CSS, everything except for style. Okay, and then for the JS, I don't need this subfolder anymore because this is all stuff for our project. And I'll go ahead and delete junior dash right there. So what I don't want to forget is to change all these links in my views. So let's start out with the home view. And we're going to have to go to the header right up here. And here, this will be public/third party. Third party. And the style should stay the same. So I'll go ahead to my page and log out. And to be sure I didn't miss anything, I like to open the network tab. And if anything appears in red, it means you missed something. Okay. And let's once over the footer. Nothing there. Next, let's go to the dashboard includes, header. And we got a bunch of stuff in here. So the bootstrap is /third party. The style is our own. jQuery is third party. Bootstrap is third party. And with all this junior dash stuff we can get rid of. Like that. Okay. And I'll go ahead and log in and make sure that works. And make sure you get no red items. If you have red items, you just got your paths wrong and it's easy to fix. So that cleans that up a bit. What I also did was I got rid of all my console logs. So inside of my my own JS folder, you can just do a find and just look for console.log. And mine comes up empty because I removed them. And you'll want to remove them because in Internet Explorer there tends to be problems on different operating systems. Internet Explorer is a real pain in the neck. So that cleans that up. I do want to show you this. We didn't do this at all, but I'm really limited on the real estate I have on this screen because we're recording it. But you see this little minus sign, we can shrink that down to get more real estate. But also you can drag these tabs and you can edit up and down from each other. It's hard with the size of the screen right now, but you can also move it to the side. Like, it's a little tricky to get there. Let me put it back to where it was. There it is. And you could edit files side by side, which is pretty cool. We didn't do that, but I'd like you to know about it. So that about sums it up for this video.